Welcome back to more Chaos and Cuteness. Hello. Whoa. Ah, everybody, where are you going? Oh no. Hero's inside. Hero's like, what are the cookers doing? Hero, where are you running? Okay. Well, this is certainly Chaos and Cuteness. And hello, this is Hero's boyfriend. You're very polite. You get a treat. Alright, who's on the arm bus? Alright, everybody, you want to come on the arm bus first? On the arm bus. On the arm bus. And outside. Alright, now I need to... I accidentally pressed the off button. And now Cheeky Boy's turn for the arm bus. Cheeky Boy is on the arm bus, and I think I'm going to have to open up the door with my foot. No! Damn it. He's going to try to work out how many treats he can get. You're not getting a treat this time. Aha! He's on the arm bus, but he's not getting a second treat. Tricked. You got tricked. Go on. Look at him. He's like, I'm not getting off without a treat. There you go. Down. And we need to get Hero out. Hey, Hero. I'm going to shut the door on you. You're either out or in. Alright, you can get a treat. There we go. Alright. Oh, that's another little burst of chaos for the morning. Okay. Alright. Oh, this, just so you know who we've got here. That's Cheeky Boy. Can we show everyone how we tell that you're a boy? There you go. There's some blue there, whereas she doesn't have the blue on her rump. Anyway, Cheeky Boy. Everybody. Oh. This is Hero, and that's Hero's, I think, boyfriend. Either boyfriend or, I don't know. They're definitely part of the same family because they hang out together. Alright, but yeah, and you can see actually that she's a female. It might be a bit hard to see on camera because of the grey on her back. And he's got sort of the pure white on his back. Alright, well, that's this morning's chaos. Bye, cuties. See ya.